Welcome to Beautyistic. Have you ever wanted the perfect manicure without the fuss of a salon visit? Well, today, we're going to talk about something that might just be a game changer in the world of DIY beauty. The Kiss imPRESS No Glue Mani Press-On Nails in the gorgeous Serendipity shade. These nails promise to give you a flawless, professional quality manicure in just minutes, no glue required. Let's see if they live up to the hype. First, let's get into the basics. The Kiss imPRESS press-on nails come in a convenient kit that includes 30 nails, a prep pad, a mini file, a manicure stick, and of course, full instructions for easy application. These nails are designed with Pure Fit technology, which claims to offer a comfortable, seamless fit for all nail types. The Serendipity shade is a beautiful soft pink, and the nails are in a medium coffin shape, perfect for a chic, elongated look. What's even better? They're chip-proof, smudge-proof, and require no dry time. So far, so good, right? Now, onto how these nails perform in real life. I was genuinely impressed by how easy they were to apply. No glue means no mess, and the process took just a few minutes. I started with the prep pad to clean my natural nails and ensure that the press-ons would stick well. From there, I simply picked out the right size nails, pressed them on, and voila, my nails were done. The fit was seamless, and I didn't feel any discomfort, thanks to the Pure Fit technology. These nails felt like they were custom-made for my fingers. I wore them for several days to test out the longevity, and I was pleased to find they lasted without any chips or cracks. I even went through some activities like washing dishes and typing for hours, and they stayed secure the whole time. The best part? They didn't feel bulky or uncomfortable at all. Honestly, if you're someone who wants a quick and easy manicure for an event or just daily wear, this might be the solution you've been waiting for. Let's dive into the pros and cons. The pros are clear. Easy application with no glue or mess. Comfortable fit that doesn't feel heavy or awkward on your nails. Long-lasting wear, no chips or smudges for days. The kit includes everything you need for a perfect DIY mani. On the flip side, the cons are minimal, but worth mentioning. These nails may not be the best option if you're looking for ultra-durable nails for extended wear, like several weeks. They are designed more for short-term use. You might need to be careful when removing them to avoid damaging your natural nails. Is it worth the money? Absolutely. For the price, you're getting a high-quality, professional-looking manicure that's easy to apply and durable for several days. If you're someone who loves to switch up your nail look frequently, or just needs something for a special occasion, this kit offers great value without the hefty price tag of salon visits. When it comes to alternatives, there are plenty of press-on nail brands on the market, but Kiss stands out for their seamless application process and comfortable fit. Compared to other brands, Kiss offers a more secure hold and better longevity, making it a solid option for those looking to elevate their nail game at home. As for the build quality, the nails themselves are made from a durable material that stays intact, and the kit is well organized. The packaging ensures that all the items are easy to find and use, making the whole process as streamlined as possible. The mini file and manicure stick are thoughtful additions that help ensure a flawless finish. Now let's talk customer support. While I haven't had to contact Kiss directly, they're known for being a reliable brand in the beauty space with a strong reputation for providing good customer service. It's worth noting that if you have any issues, they are generally responsive and helpful. As far as updates go, there don't appear to be any recent changes to this particular product. But if you're looking for the latest in press-on nail innovation, Kiss is a brand that's constantly evolving to improve its offerings. For those on a budget, there are other press-on nail options, but many of them may not offer the same level of comfort or durability. If you're willing to pay a little extra, Kiss definitely provides better value than cheaper, lower-quality alternatives. In conclusion, the Kiss imPRESS No Glue Mani Press-On Nails in Serendipity are an easy, comfortable, and long-lasting option for those looking for a quick and professional manicure. They're perfect for anyone who wants salon-quality nails without the time and cost of a salon visit. If you're looking for something that's both beautiful and hassle-free, these are definitely worth considering. If this review helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon. Your support helps us bring you more honest reviews like this. And before I go, I want to hear from you. Have you tried Kiss Press on nails? Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.